Welcome to PPM 930. PPM 930 provides a series of changes that improve the user experience, extend integrations with third-party tools, and provide visibility into financial data. This video demonstrates these new features. Let's start with the user experience improvements. You will see improvements in the area of resource simplification, resource management optimization, and a new intuitive work plan. First, let's view resource management simplification features. Joseph Banks is a project manager. He decides to kick off a new project and begins with human resources planning. From the widget on the project summary page, he creates a new staffing profile. It opens in an embedded tab. To quickly begin the process of creating a staffing profile, he copies positions from an existing staffing profile. The operations to staffing profile has been simplified for ease of use. Simplifications include inline edit position information and drag and drop to define the start date and finish date of a position. You can also fill in the effort in either hours or FTE in a pop-up dialog box, and you can clone positions within the current staffing profile. By filtering for positions according to a specific status, a keyword, or a particular resource, Joseph is able to quickly identify a position or a certain type of position. Let's select positions and send the resources request to a resource pool. The project summary page has an overview of the staffing profile status and the requested position number. Kim Song is the resource manager of the requested resource pool. She receives an email notification asking for a resource allocation. As the manager of a huge resource pool, she needs to make assignments for multiple projects. She opens the resource allocation management page to manage the resource demands across the different projects. The requested positions are grouped by staffing profile. When she selects a position to assign to a resource, Kim sees a recommendation of the best fitting resources for the selected position according to the role, skills required, and the requested time period. Kim selects and assigns resources. The selected resources are assigned to the specific position with the most fulfillments. Now let's view the new resource management optimization features. Instead of manually making resource assignments, Kim can use a tool to optimize her resource pool and the requested positions. The tool is called Resource Management Optimization, or for short, RMO. Kim selects the available resources in her resource pool and the positions that she needs to assign. RMO recommends the resources for the requested positions. It suggests the best position fulfillment and the best resource utilization from a global perspective. RMO frees resource managers who work with large resource pools from having to perform tedious and nerve-wracking manual tasks. Next, let's view the new intuitive work plan. After human resources needs are fulfilled and committed, the next step is for Joseph, the project manager, to start to define the work plan and task breakdown. With the new intuitive work plan, Joseph creates tasks inline and uses drag and drop to adjust each task start and finish date. As Joseph changes the start date or finish date for a task, the changes and impacts are highlighted and captured. The biggest contribution in the intuitive work plan is the performance improvement. It provides around a 68% improvement in performance during editing tasks. Another new feature in PPM 930 is the ability to manage multiple Agile tools. With the help of HP Professional Services, PPM can be integrated with any Agile management system via the Open Agile SDK. Therefore, project managers now can adopt a more comprehensive approach to managing hybrid projects in PPM. Another new feature is financial management optimization. While executing his project, Joseph goes into the Embedded tab to see the financial summary information. Here he can compare the budget and projected cost, forecasted cost, and actual cost to understand if this project will stay on budget. He can also gain insight into the resource forecast cost. He can understand the cost for each position and resource. He can also leverage the PPM work plan to track the schedules and actual costs in the project. In addition, he can also analyze the earned value to quantify the performance of a project. This enables him to be aware of the progress and cost status and then optimize the scenario. Thank you for watching. For additional information, visit the PPM Center at hp.com.